Hey everyone! So as you can see in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made these oven baked juicy jerk chicken wings. I'm also going to show you guys the green seasoning recipe that I use in this video. So let's get straight into it. 4 scallion or spring onion, 1 whole white onion, 1 whole red onion, a piece of ginger, 2 Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 stalks of celery, a bunch of thyme, coriander and parsley, half a green bell pepper and half a red bell pepper. Chop all of this up roughly and throw it into my blender. You can use a food processor or a blender, or whatever it is that you have. Moving on to the chicken, I use jerk seasoning, chicken seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, the wet marinade, and my green seasoning. So it's the next day and I'm just going to transfer the chicken wings into a roasting tray and then put them into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. So this is how they're looking after about 20 minutes. I'm just going to baste the chicken wings with the juices at the bottom of the tray. Then I'm going to flip them over and baste them again and then put them back into the oven for a further 20 or 30 minutes. So this is how they're looking after another 30 minutes in the oven. They're going to be crispy and juicy and yeah, full of flavour. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.